Hello, Dr. Lica.
Hi, Katerina. Welcome to Dr. Lica.
How important is physical well-being on an emotional level?
Of course, it is so important. When we are physically healthy, we have an energy, we can feel good, we are happy, we have energy to live, to laugh, to work. So really we need to take care of our health in order to be really happy and beautiful. So welcome.
Can aesthetic medicine boost self-confidence and self-esteem?
Yes, of course. Aesthetic medicine can really boost self-confidence because when treating even small aesthetic problem, we can really give our patients the feeling of self-esteem and self-confidence. And when the woman is self-confident and when the woman feels beautiful.
So, Dr. Lica, let's talk about treatments.
Yes, of course, we will talk now about treatments after I drink my little cup of coffee, because this I do every day, because without coffee I don't have enough energy. So this is my magic drink. Okay, and now let's see what my patients are doing.
What are the treatments that people most often ask for nowadays?
The top treatments that I can say I'm doing every day in my clinic is, first of all, these are fillers based on hyaluronic acid. But the second is Botox, wrinkle treatments with Botox, and the third most used and most loved treatment is cleaning with the ultrasound. We use it with the peelings from Presenza. We really love these products. We use these products every day, and our patients are really happy seeing the results after cosmetic treatments, different, and also in combinations with the fillers. And the fillers I use every day. Presenza Seductiva filler with hyaluronic acid, and my patients are really happy. I use these fillers more than 5 years every day, and this is really the #1 treatment for my patients.
But where do you think the limit is to not be obsessed with aesthetic treatments?
Of course, sometimes it is too much. But of course, we can't say that this is only one limit, because we all are different and the limits are different. But I always, when I see a patient, when the patient comes to consultation, I try, if I see that it is too much and the patient wants more, I explain that we don't need to do this. So it is better because sometimes patients want to achieve like a gold standard in aesthetic medicine, but really golden standard is not always perfect for especially this patient. And we have fashion in clothes, we have fashion in aesthetic medicine, and during 20 years I realized that really aesthetic fashion also exists. And if 20 years ago we did lips, for example, in one way, now we are doing this in another way. But really, I don't like this absolutely to go under fashion. So we need to have individual approach to each patient, and to explain that to maintain individuality is the most important thing.
Are women your main patients, or there is an increase in men in the consultation?
Of course, women are the most, more often women come to my clinic. But if I compare 20, 15 years ago and now. If at the beginning it was like men patient 5% and 95% women, now I have about 65% women and 35% men. So more and more men come to aesthetic treatments, and they want also to look better, to look younger, to be self-confident and beautiful. Why not? And of course the products, for example, you see I really use and recommend Presenza products to my patients, and we have products and for men and for women, and sometimes men ask if I can use really the cream from my wife, and I say, of course, you can apply especially sun protection cream. This is absolutely important for all men and women every morning, and in the evening, for example, a white serum with vitamin C and Supreme Effect. So these are, I think, the top creams that I recommend every day.
Thank you, Dr. Lica. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you, Katarina, and I welcome every day. We welcome you every day in Dr. Lica Clinic.
Thank you.